In this next tutorial we're going to look at image-based lighting, and to make it interesting I'm going to import a Spartan halo model and also make some metal spheres. First of all, to set up image-based lighting you need to go into Atmosphere Editor, and you need to choose an atmosphere model. You have four kinds of atmosphere models: standard, volumetric, spectral and environment mapping. Spectral models when you want clouds and you want the clouds to reflect light and light to be reflected into clouds. And environment mapping is where we're going to go to set up image-based lighting. Next we're going to go into Effects and we're going to load an environment map. We're going to choose an HDRI image and we're going to select OK. Yes, we do want to automatically set up our scene for image-based lighting. So with this scene here, when we pan our camera or rotate our camera, the same background image appears. Now what we're going to do now is I'm going to import a model. So here's something new. We're going to go File, Import Object, and I'm going to import a 3ds model, and I'm just going to click these three checkboxes and press OK and click OK again. Here's Master Chief over here. I'm just going to drag in front of the camera so we can see him, and using this view up here, drag him down and need to have his feet up in the air, well, on the ground. Just going to now select the camera. I'm going to move the camera, just rotate the camera using these tools here. Bring the camera back. So lock the camera. So what I'd like us to try and do is see the reflection of the HDRI image in the Spartan's helmet. So again, I'm just reorientating the camera to get the best possible view for us. Might just bring the Spartan around here and rotate the Spartan like so, and then bring our camera in a little bit closer. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is load a primitive, just a simple sphere, because what I'd like you to notice with image-based lighting is that the reflection of the Spartan will reflect off the sphere if we make the sphere metal or metallic. So I'll click on sphere down here. Alright, I'll put the sphere and we're just behind the Spartan. Right, at the moment you can see the texture is some dark colour, so we're going to load material in here, and let's go for a silver or a chrome, highly reflective and shiny surface. As you can already see in the preview, we have a reflection of Master Chief and the sphere. Not quite happy with my camera angle, so I'm just going to bring the camera up quite close to the Spartan's visor and rotate the camera slightly. Now what I'm going to do in main camera view is click this icon and it'll take us to one view, and let's just render this scene just in final quality. Now when Vue 6 renders images, it didn't take out the background as Vue 8 does. So what Vue 8 does, it renders the objects first, or the terrain first, and then it renders the atmosphere last. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a pause here, and then we'll reload the tutorial when this is rendered.